Naoki, and today I'm making my own Japanese style bread. We're using these square tins so we're able to slice them up into sandwiches. I started off with in the bread machine and then cook it in the oven. This is the bucket from the machine. Today I'm going to be using the bucket. Remember to have the scale so you're able to measure how much grams you measured. I'm going to start off by putting 495 grams of baker's flour into the bucket. Yeah. 12 grams of yeast into the bucket. So remember to press 0 so the scale goes back to 0. Next, I'm going to add 300 grams of water . Now I've added the 3 ingredients. I'm going to put the bucket into the machine and it's going to mix it up into one big ball of dough. I'm putting it in the bread machine now. This will take around 5 or 4 minutes. I'm using a machine to make it into a dough, but you can use any other machine or even use your hands to make it into a dough ball. Let's mix the dough up now and it's formed a perfect dough ball. Now I'm going to take it out, glad wrap it, put it in the fridge and finish it off tomorrow. Today is day 2 and the dough has been in the fridge overnight and we're going to add on the ingredients. I have pre-measured them. You're going to start off with 255 grams of flour. Next, we're going to add 45 grams of sugar. Then we're going to add 9 grams of salt. Now, be careful because if you add too much salt, then it will be too salty to eat the bread. Then we're going to add 186 grams of milk. And finally, we're going to add 75 grams of butter. Now we're going to take the bucket and put it into the bread machine. I put it in the bread machine. It's quite full, so be careful not to spill it. The machine is finished kneading the dough. This took 45 minutes. I've taken the dough out of the bucket and divided it into thirds and sprayed the tins with oil. I've cut them up and kneaded them into nice sausage roll things, and now I'm gonna put the lids on. I'm gonna leave it on the bench for it to prove. When it starts touching the lid, then I'll put it in the oven. The dough has risen up to the lids now. It's time to put them in the oven. I'm preheating the oven to 200 degrees and 50% steam. You can use an ordinary oven, but that wouldn't be as fast as this one. Wow, it smells so nice. Happy how it turned out. You should wrap it and put it in the fridge, but I want to eat it now while it's hot. It's a bit hard to cut because it's soft. Wow, very good.
Wow, Naoki, this is so good.
Thank you.